All right, now we're going to figure out the values of x and y by using a method called Elimination Method. And that is where you eliminate one of those variables. And notice we have equations that are set up in standard form. And remember standard form? ax plus by is equal to c. When it's in this form, elimination is usually a really easy way to solve. And then I want to draw your attention to something. Notice we have a positive 6x and we have a negative 6x. Well, if we do some vertical addition and we add up all the columns of the same types of terms, the numbers together, the y's together, the x's together, that's same place value, right? Let's see what happens. Well, positive 6 and negative 6 zeroes out to 0x, so we don't even have to think about it. Positive 1y and negative 4y add up to negative 3y. And 19 plus negative 22 is negative 3. Well, to figure out what y is, the inverse of multiplying is dividing. So we're going to divide both sides. Or you could multiply by the reciprocal. It means the same thing. Well, negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. 1 times y is y. And over here, negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. Well, now that we know what y is, so I'm going to put it back into one of these equations. I think I'll put it in the top one. So 6x plus y is 1. So where it says 1y, I'm just going to put 1 is equal to 19. Well, we want to now get the x by itself. So we're going to do inverse properties. So the inverse operations, the inverse of adding 1 is subtracting 1. Now we have 6x is equal to 18. The inverse of multiplying is dividing or multiplying by the reciprocal. So now we have 18 divided 6 is 3. Just like, oops, 3. There we go. So if we were to graph those two lines, we don't have to because it's system of elimination, we don't need that. But if we were to graph those at 3, 1, that's where they would intersect. Okay, that's it for this one. Solving systems by using the elimination method. Oh, this isn't it. I need to show you a couple of other things that I had covered up. Okay, so now let me see if... No, okay, we'll have to practice the more difficult ones in class because once in a while it won't be this easy where when you add them together they zero out, right? Sometimes it won't be that easy. Sometimes you're going to have to do some other steps, and we'll cover that in class. All right, that is it for this one.